Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I have an iPhone 7 with a cracked screen, and also the LCD is damaged. But everything else seems to work. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this with an OEM grade screen, and as always I'm going to start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
A little bit of light, trying to find my heart. Funny when I break out a lifestyle dark. Honey when I rank at a tight flow spark. What a psycho drop, playing dice, go start. Oh, who are you? Better know yourself. Know your soul, gotta know your will.
And we are done. So 13 minutes and 19 seconds. And as I always say, if I can't do it in under 20 minutes, then it's free. So we have a brand new iPhone 7 OEM grade screen, and everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram and also Facebook, as well our website, and I'll leave the links in the description below. And if you get the chance to like, comment, subscribe, and also share the video on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, it truly helps. And I wanted to thank all my customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Thanks again.